gardens will be looking a little worse for wear after a busy summer, so now's the time to bring back the wow with the help of Kärcher's wet and dry vacuum cleaners that take on the tough jobs a standard indoor vac just can't. If you have kids, you have garden clutter. Start by clearing away any toys like water pistols and footballs lying around to make room for the bigger jobs, like tidying the sandpit area. It's normally a fiddly task, but you'd be surprised how a wet and dry vacuum like the Kärcher WD4 can make it pretty much effortless. Paddling pools will need sprucing up after a scorching summer, so once you've saved the water for your plants, it's time to give them a good clean. When you're done, grab the Kärcher WD4 to suck up all the residual water. Then once completely dry, you can simply fold it up carefully and stash it away for next year. Now to your plants. Remove all the extra wild garden growth, pull any weeds from the lawn and cut back your perennials. I prefer to clean as I go, and the WD4 means I'm able to vacuum up whilst deadheading and getting the garden into shape. It's great for loose soil and gravel too, so you end up with a spotless garden that's ready for whatever winter throws at it.